childhood, I always loved to create. I had this great desire to change the world. When me and Aditi we both got married, we knew we are going to create a lot of value and a huge impact to the world.
You know, ever since I was in school and college, I always wanted to change the world and create some value in the world. So when this idea of Repos and the idea of doorstep diesel delivery clicked us, delivering fuel at doorstep, we knew that this is it. The past 1.5 years has been difficult for the entire world, for entire India. At Repos, everyone was asking, how did you all manage? But we managed to stay positive, we managed to stay focused, and we managed to do whatever we could do to keep things going on. But you know what? It is time for us. It is time for people like you and me to put back India's economy to where it belonged. We want to make sure that we tell India's story to the world. You know why? Because India is the story world is waiting for.
Now you must be thinking, is that so easy? Yes, we have a plan. We did a deep dive study about the entire energy distribution model, and we found out this needs to be redefined, and Repos started working relentlessly on it.
So according to the data, the oil demand of India is going to be double by 2045. And approximately 80% of these diesel users are going to be B2B. I mean, just imagine, how is a business going to get diesel when it needs it? It's not as easy as it's for yours and my car. We go to the petrol pump, fill the diesel and come back. Now just imagine if this building where I'm sitting, if this office building needs diesel, how am I going to get it? I either take a barrel or I either take a jerry can, put that in the truck, go to the petrol pump, come back. Absolute inconvenience. I have no way of procuring diesel, no way of measuring the transparency, quality, quantity. I don't have data. So how are we going to cater to the rising demand, which is going to be double by 2045? How are we going to cater to that? Also, the world is moving towards new energies, towards greener energies. Now, tell me one thing, how are we going to distribute these new energies? We cannot use the old distribution system for distributing these green energies or the new energies.
And this has to be mobile. Today, for these alternate energies like CNG, we have already seen a mobile refueling units. A new fuel, which is LNG, only one way which can be efficiently been distributed is through a mobile network. And same is with the electric charging stations. There can be a mobile electric charging stations, and that's how we can ramp up our speed of distribution and scale it at the topmost corner of our country.
So like Chetan said, doorstep diesel delivery or doorstep fuel delivery is not a novelty. It's not an invention, but this is the necessity. वो कहते हैं ना, हर एक चीज के लिए एक सही वक्त होता है. And we believe that to cater this rising demand, the rising demands of energy, we need an efficient and a sustainable distribution system.
So you all must be wondering now, what is the plan?
Watch this space. A revolution is coming, and this will change the energy distribution system of India. Hi. So when we were busy creating a revolution, we've received a lot of questions from y'all, some personal and some professional. So me and Chetan, we've decided to answer all of these questions. So drop in your questions in the comment box. Who knows, while answering your questions, we might find answers to some of ours. Looking forward to these questions.